Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unloading the skin so Rainmeter releases it. This prevents file locks and lost settings. Open Rainmeter from the tray, then open Manage. You will see a list of loaded skins, select the exact skin name and choose Unload. Once done, make a quick backup of the skin folder to documents/Rainmeter/skins if you want to restore later. This immediate step ensures you can safely remove files without Rainmeter reloading or throwing errors. Now remove the actual files so the skin can't come back. Close Rainmeter if any files remain locked, then open documents/Rainmeter/skins and locate the skins folder. Delete the entire folder plus any stray INI, ink, or asset files. Once deleted, return to Rainmeter and click Refresh all so the manager updates its list. Make sure to use the recycle bin initially in case you need to restore. Permanent delete is only necessary when you are certain. Finish by refreshing Rainmeter and restarting it to clear caches and confirm the skin is gone. Also inspect layouts and auto-start entries within Manage to ensure no leftover references will reload the skin. If the skin still appears, check for duplicate skin, folders, and other user profiles or Cloud Sync directories. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall Rainmeter or run it as administrator to reveal locked files. This often finds and frees files that prevented deletion, letting you remove the skin cleanly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.